It's time for another unboxing. Today I have the Anker Life Q35. So this is pretty much like a budget Bluetooth headset, and I've heard a lot of good reviews about the Q30, so I decided to get the Q35, which seems to be a newer model, but the sound signature is supposed to be identical to the Q30. The only difference is that it's probably got a few other audio enhancements in terms of the codec. So it's got the LDAC, support in here. It's got a 40-hour kind of a playtime. It's got some AI intelligence. It's also got smart detection. So when you take the headset off, it's supposed to like stop playing, similar to the Sony headsets as well. So let's sort of look into some of the other features. So it does have NFC in there, and it's also got supposed to have a really good call quality. So I think it's good to have like a nice headset which you can throw around and use it for your workouts without having to be too worried about damaging it. So that was really the background behind why I was looking at getting this. For those of you who subscribe to the channel, would have seen that I did recently get the Bang & Olufsen's H95, and that's probably for a bit more serious listening. So just taking this off now, unwrapping this a bit to really get into the box. So I got this from Amazon. Amazon had a bit of a year-end discount on quite a few things, and this was one of those items where there was a slight marginal price drop, and so I got it shipped. Every time I see this logo, it reminds me of the Beats logo, but upside down. So you can trust Anker to be very creative in that aspect. But I see what they've done here. It's like basically the shape of the ear cup, right? And wow, I didn't expect this. A really nice oval-shaped box, which is really good. And inside the box there isn't anything else, just some I guess documentation, on how to use the product, which for most of us should be quite straightforward, right? We should pretty much know how to set up a Bluetooth device. So with the boxes out of the way, let's have a look at the case. So the case does have a nice sort of velvety finish to it. Nice velvety finish, and wow, when you open it up, very simple. You've got the headsets lying in a collapsed format. There is a small little pouch, and I assume the pouch has some of the cables which we need. So yes, this is USB-C charging, which is important. I wanted that because I'm tired of all of the micro USBs, and it also has a 3.5 mm cable. I like the fact that the cable is L-shaped on one end. That is good design. And of course the airplane adapter for those of us who are going to be traveling soon. This might be one way to get back into the skies and listening to our tunes, plugging into the audio systems of the aircrafts. So now this by itself, I will admit, while it does look good, the color is a version of blue, which they have put on the website. I can't remember exactly what, but it is definitely got a blue tinge to it. And the headset by itself has a steel band here, and yeah, it's got some narration on what it is, which is basically active noise cancelling. You've got the buttons at the bottom here, very reminiscent of the Bose QC35 kind of button layouts, a bit more protruding, and yeah, they've got a few more buttons over here and the USB charging on the side as well. So by and large, yeah, the build quality looks okay. It doesn't have a very premium finish, but that's expected at this price point, right? Like you're not going to be expecting a really premium kind of finish. I mean, these are supposed to be headphones which you're going to throw around and beat it up, basically not giving a crap about how you store these in your bags, and you know, it's for you to smash it around, right? And so the main thing here is the sound signature quality, which is supposed to be really good. So yeah, so there's a few things we need to do. We need to obviously take off these stickers, and apparently when you put your hand on top of this cup, it's supposed to enable some form of transparency when the ANC is on, so it should allow you to listen to the outside world. Well, we'll give that a shot. I think there is also an app which needs to be downloaded for this to actually work. So this is what you get inside of the box. In summary, it's a decent product at a very good price point. I think the reviews for the Q30 were really outstanding. A lot of people have given it top marks, and I expect nonetheless from this particular model of this particular headset, the Q35 should definitely be a notch up in terms of usability. I'm not overall extremely disappointed in any way. I think this is what one should expect for this price point. I would definitely want to give it a listen and then see how it goes. I mean, the quality and the workmanship is average, to be honest. It's nothing to shout about, but it is what you pay, right? What you pay is what you get, and I'm sure the sound quality is going to make up a lot for the looks of the device. I think there is a lot more which could have been done to make this a bit better, but the proof is in the pudding. So let me hear what this device is. Maybe I won't be that critical on how it looks, but yeah, really a good product from what I see. So I will keep you updated on what my verdict is on the sound quality once I've sort of tuned this up. Thanks again for watching.